Pune. I'm here on day one of the EMO Hannover 2025 India Roadshow, organized by the VDW, the German Machine Tool Builders Association, along with VDMA. The India Roadshow will be taking place over the course of the next few days in 5 major cities that are considered as major manufacturing hubs in India. It's an exciting kickoff and a showcase of what's more to come and what visitors can expect as the countdown begins for EMO Hannover 2025.
So we are at the EMO World Tour, and we are kickstarting this EMO World Tour India with the first event happening here in Pune. EMO is celebrating also 50 years this year, and it's the largest exhibition for the machine tool industry, with a lot of focus this time on automation, startup. Also there's a lot of focus to it. Sustainability, of course, will be one of the important topics at EMO. We are looking for the Indian participation, the Indian visitors, the Indian exhibitors participating at EMO 2025. So do join us at EMO 2025 to see the world's best technological developments as well as the world's best companies presenting themselves at EMO. The Indian exhibitors, the Indian visitors will be able to see the best of technology at EMO 2025. Plus, it will also help them to connect with the world market, the various players in the global players, and it will be a good opportunity for the Indian exhibitors and visitors to meet some of their key customers at EMO 2025.
We are the German Machine Tool Builders Association, also the organizer of EMO. EMO is taking place this year in September, again in Hannover, and it's of course the world leading show for machine tool, and it's of course the most international show for machine tool. For this year's editions we have 3 main topics for EMO. We are speaking about sustainability, we are speaking about digitalization, and last but not least we are speaking about automation. These 3 topics are belonging to each other. It's a little bit like a triangle, and I would say it's the magic triangle of advanced manufacturing. Digitalization is the enabler for automation at the end, and also for being more sustainable in production, and altogether are the basis for efficiency in production. And efficiency is the advantage what manufacturers need around the globe to be more competitive for their customers and for the industries. You can see that on the international level at EMO this year in Hannover. And last but not least, you have the opportunity as an exhibitor to compare with the international industry, and as a visitor to see the global approach for being more efficient and delivering advanced manufacturing to your customers. So I would like to welcome you to EMO 2025 in Hannover.
I'm very happy that we are kicking off the Indian part of our EMO World Tour here today in Pune. We'll be in India for the next 5 days. We'll be visiting Chennai, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and of course we'll have our last stop in New Delhi. And we are looking very much forward to addressing the Indian metalworking company to visit Hannover for EMO in September 2025. It's going to be the 50th anniversary of EMO, and we are very happy as Deutsche Messe to welcome the full community of metalworking from all around the world. It's going to be very international, and we are very happy that we have a huge presentation of Indian companies as well as the community coming visiting from India, and we are very happy that all the innovations, all the networks and all the community talks will be held in Hannover again in September for EMO 2025.
We have been exhibiting in EMO since 2005. It has been an excellent platform to showcase our technology. EMO is truly an international event. It not only gives you exposure to German customers but also to the international buyers who come to EMO scouting for the technology, the new developments in the machine tools, etc. So it has been an excellent platform for us to showcase our technology innovations. It gives Indian companies an excellent exposure it also throws open the competitiveness of our machine. It also highlights the technology gaps when you see the other machines. So overall, this is a wonderful platform to be for every machine tool company.
If you're thinking going global, you need to be there on a global platform. EMO Hannover is the place where you get good exposure, and as Indians there is a lot of opportunities because we want to go global. We will get international visitors, exposure, and people take you seriously. Also we will get good Indian customers who are looking for technologies.